Hi everyone. Today we will be learning types of seeds and process of growing plants from those seeds. Let's start. When a seed is sown into moist soil, it begins to grow. This process is called germination. It occurs in the following steps. The seed coat splits. You can see a tiny root grows downwards and a shoot grows upwards. You can see how it is growing. Slowly it will grow, isn't it? In some plants, the seed coat will come up and some will not. This produces a seedling of a plant which ultimately grows into a new plant. After some time, the plant bears flowers. The flowers produce fruits and the fruits have seeds in them. All seeds can germinate when sown in moist soil under suitable conditions to produce new plants. Conditions means weather. By natural or man-made process, these seeds are sown into the ground again, and that is how new plants are grown. You can see here, if you take one tomato in a glass jar filled with soil and you sow the tomato so that you can see the germination, sow the tomato seeds. Okay, so you have taken the tomato seeds and that is sown in the soil, and you have to put water because they have to produce the root, isn't it? They need water to sprout. You can see how beautifully the roots are emerging. Also, the shoot is going up. Even the leaves will split and then it starts growing into a plant. Even you can do this at home. You can take a glass bottle, fill with some sponge or the paper napkin which is wet, and then you sow a bean. You can see how nicely it will sprout. The roots will come out. And after a few days, you can see the leaves coming out. This is called germination. A baby plant that emerges from the seed to grow into a new plant, that is called germination. You can see from the embryo, I told you a small baby plant is called embryo, which will be inside the seed. When it grows into new plant, the embryo will grow. The roots and the shoot will come out. Also, a new leaf will be formed. You can see how beautifully it is described. If you take a corn and place it in water, after a few days you can see the corn seeds will start sprouting and small plants will start growing out of it. Okay, so not only in soil, even in water, some seeds can grow. And even if you sow the same seeds in the soil, again you will get a new plant. This is how you can produce new plants by yourself. When the roots will come out, there will be primary and secondary roots will be there. It will come out from the seed. Also, there will be a stem. Stem and leaves will be in the shoot part, and primary root and secondary root will be in root part. Later, you will find, once it grows big, you will find the leaves, isn't it? So, when the leaves will come, it will become big plant. Sprouting will be done usually in the kitchen. You can ask your mother when she will sprout some seeds for different kinds of dishes, for curries, for side dish or from salads. Then she will be soaking it and then wrapping around a cloth. Then next day you will get the sprout. When the seed is planted and germination will happen, sprouts, then seedling, then tree will give you flowers and tree with fruit. So each and every fruit will have seed. Some fruit will have seeds inside or it can be outside, and some fruits or vegetables will have single seed or some may have many. Isn't it? You have seen many fruits and vegetables which has only one seed or few seeds. Like apple, it has few seeds. You can see here black color. When you cut the apple, that is seed. Jackfruit will have many seeds. Isn't it? Yum, isn't it? It will be very sweet to eat. But seeds has to be removed. And if you sow the seeds, you will get plant. This is fig. You can see n number of. How many number of seeds are there? Many. Isn't it? So, watermelon. Here also you will be having lot of seeds. When you cut it open, you will get many seeds. Strawberries, what you can see, the white color outside, those are nothing but the seeds. So when you take it out and put it in your pot, you will get strawberry. Pomegranate will have many seeds inside which will be yum to eat. Isn't it? It will be very sweet. Papaya will have dark black or brown colored seeds inside which we will be removing and eating. This is dragon fruit which will be very sweet, and what you see here, the black color, is nothing but the seeds. You can see how many seeds are there. Many, isn't it? Custard apple. Here also you will find different seeds. It can be small or big, but it will be many. Kiwi. You can see here black color in between. Those are nothing but seeds. You can sow this in the soil and you will get the plant. Passion fruit. Here inside, than pulp you will get more seeds, and these seeds are edible. Here cashew fruit seed is outside, that is nothing but cashew nut outside, and the fruit is called cashew fruit. Guava. Guava will have many seeds inside the fruit. And tamarind. Even tamarind will have few seeds. It can be 4 or 5 seeds in a pod. And this is a peach with only one seed in between. You can see here how big it is, isn't it? So this one seed will grow. Green peas will have many in a pod, isn't it? It can be 5 or if it is big pod, 8. This is sapota or chiku will have 2 or 3 seeds in this fruit. And it will be very yummy. This is apricot. Apricot will have one seed in between. It will be very hard. This is melon. Melon will have many seeds inside, isn't it? These seeds can be sown to get melon. This is avocado or butterfruit will have a big seed in between. Only one seed. You know what is this? This is ladyfinger. Ladyfinger, when you cut and see, you will find many seeds in between. In the same way, capsicum or bell pepper will have many seeds in fact. You can see how many seeds are there. So nice, isn't it? So if you take just one seed, you will get a plant. This is coffee beans, which is fried, children, not natural one. This is fried. Natural one will be, the fruit will be red, and when you take it out, it will be just pale green in color, the dried coffee bean. Once it is fried, it will become brown. Now we will see the animated part about the germination. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do share and subscribe, and also do comment on this. Press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much. Bye.